Alrighty guys, got a package in the post today, which I was very surprised about because I only ordered them on Saturday and today's Monday. But from Pegz, from the MX store here in Australia, I got the plastic inserts to put onto the Pegz Mark III, might I add. So with the kit you get the little pegs, covers, and 8 small zip ties. So basically all you do is these pop on the top, they're hollowed out in the middle here, so they just rest on top of the little spiky rim. Put these on, and then using the cable ties you just tie 4 positions along here and you should be good. So that will hopefully raise my foot a little bit more, making it easier for gear shifting until my gear lever, adjustable gear shifter comes, which is in the post, so that should be here next week. Right, okay, let's get cracking. Okay, I hope you can see in this light, but here it mentions that there's an R for right, so this goes on the right one, and then obviously the other one fits on the left. So these should just rest. Okay, that's a good fit. Nice. It doesn't actually really raise it up an awful lot, to be honest, but I think what it will do is iron out some of the vibration that I was feeling. Alright, then it's just a case of cable tying it. Pretty darn easy, really. There's one. Two. All right, well, we all know how to cable tie, so I'll come back to you later. Right, there we go, all done. All the ends snipped off. That's all good and secure. Now look at that, not spiking my hands. Yep, good. And good. Yep, good stuff. So it probably won't raise my foot up much, but that's what the adjustable shift lever is all about, and that should be with me next week. So just a short video to show you that. You may not be aware that these rubber inserts exist. Well, they do if you've got the Mark III pivot pegs. Mark III. And what do you think to my new shirt? Pretty nice, isn't it? That's thanks to Justin from Kamikaze Moto, part of my prize that I won in a competition for the Tuturo chain oiler. Also kindly sent me a t-shirt, so thank you very much, Justin, top bloke. All right, that's all for now. Biker Bytes over and out.